How to get folders on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get folders on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is you'll need to open up your TikTok and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now, before you do anything, you will need to change your personal account to a business account. So tap on the three lines on the top right, tap on settings and privacy, head over to account or manage your account, and there you'll see an option right here to switch to business account. Now, since my account is already on a business mode, it's not giving me that option. So yeah, it will say on yours to switch on business account. So after you change it to business account, what you will then need to do is head back to your profile. After doing that, tap on this bookmark icon, and after you're on bookmark icon, here you should be able to create new collections. You can name the folder and then tap on next. Now the feature is not available on mine even after changing it to a business account, because this feature is only available for users with above 10,000 followers. So you will need around 10,000 followers on TikTok to be able to access the folders feature. So yeah, that's basically it. First you'll need 10,000 followers, then a business account, then just head over to the collections section, and then tap on add new collection, and you should be able to add it. And that's basically it guys. That is how you can get folders on TikTok. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.